Thanks for watching the Dr. Gilmore page. Check out the link below for Meta 7.
Gene, we are rolling.
Hi guys, good morning.
We have our patient, we're going to call you Jellyfish. How you doing, my man?
Pretty good.
You got a little bump on the side of your neck here. You got some skin tags. We're not going to worry about those right now, but you got this one here, and this looks really large. And we are going to remove it for you, okay?
Thank you.
All right. Has it ever bled?
No.
Changed colors?
No.
Do you have skin cancer in your family?
Not that I know.
Do you ever tip your dollar a fresh $100 bill at the end of the day?
No.
Well, you know, it doesn't hurt to ask, does it?
No.
No, I'm going to do this one completely complimentary for you. You were here for just to get your blood pressure medicine refilled, weren't you?
Right.
And I said, man, let me take that off for you. That'll be fun. And you were like, how much? I said, if I take that off right now, nothing. Just because I enjoy doing them. All right, and you're okay if we call you Jellyfish and record your video
Fine.
for our friends on YouTube? I'm ready for the syringe. All right, you're gonna feel a little sting, and you're gonna get a little cold spray. She's gonna spray a little cold spray right on that. Brr! Here comes a sting. What's it gonna feel?
Stick, sting, and a burn.
There it is. Stick, sting, and a burn. Come in here a little bit more. Just a little sting, my friend. There you go. Scissors, forceps. Gummy Jean, did you have a great weekend?
I did. It's very relaxing.
Did you catch any fish?
Oh, we caught all kinds of fish. Are you kidding me? Ready for the stitch. We caught sea trout. We caught sheep's head. We caught a whole bunch of catfish.
Wow.
Got a nice stingray, which I actually don't mind catching because I enjoy the little fight they put up.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, we put everything back in. We don't keep anything. We did have some requests that if we caught certain fish, certain people said, hey, if you catch this, I want one. But
All right.
none of that happened. But the important thing is my 14-year-old daughter and I just had a blast fishing and getting out in the sunshine. It was in the 70s. Absolutely gorgeous weather, Gumby.
Oh, yeah, definitely. I took my daughter when she was 10 years old.
Yeah?
I took her down to Lake Conroe, and she caught her first catfish. Oh, she was so excited.
There are a lot of catfish on Conroe.
So I took a picture of that, and we still have that picture.
Is that right?
Of course, it's fading now, but I mean...
Guess what, my friend? You're all finished. That looks great.
All right.
All right, thanks for... Oh, hey, we're still going to put a Band-Aid on.
Hi, my name is Melissa, and I've been taking medicine for about 3 months right now. So far, I'm really loving this product. It's definitely helped me steer off of energy drinks, caffeine. That was my goal. I'm definitely trying to be a little bit more fit. So I would definitely recommend this product on Amazon. So catch me in the next 3 months, see how's it going. But so far, I'm loving this product.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.